Hi, my name is Adil Mir. I am from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I am a low vision person. Uh, the issue with the low vision is when we are trying to write anything, so on a plain paper, what is happening? Either we will write up or it will go down. So it is not in a constant way. For example, if I write, so what I will write my name. Even though it is slight going down. So for that purpose, we have this solution which will help me to write in a better way. So I will show you the demo. This is the slate which is helping me to write in a straight way. So I will put this paper like this, and then I will put this slide on this paper like this, and it is already mentioned here row number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. So 14 lines we can easily write in a straight line, so which is making my work easier, and it helps me in writing in a straight line. So for example, I have to write my name is Adil. So it is in a straight. So what is happening? It is in straight. So this slate is helping me whenever I have to write anything, a long document or anything. So it is not going like this or in a downwards or upwards. It is coming in a straight line. So this solution helps me in writing, taking notes, or among of the meetings also. Thank you.
Solutions brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.